Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As a doctor, I see the impact of poor posture every day. If you spend a lot of time sitting at your desk or scrolling through your phone, chances are your posture could use a little work. Today, I've got 10 simple tips that will help you improve your posture and keep your back feeling great. We're talking simple adjustments, easy exercises, things you can easily incorporate into your routine. So, let's dive right in. Tip number 1 is the most obvious. Sit up straight. When you're working, eating, or even just relaxing, it's way too easy to slouch. Slouching compresses your chest, strains your back, and can even lead to headaches. Make sure your back is against the chair. Use the support it's there to give you. Your shoulders should be relaxed, and your feet flat on the ground. It takes a little effort at first, but this one simple change makes a huge difference. Your back will thank you. Next up, let's adjust your workspace. Your workspace plays a huge role in maintaining good posture. Your computer screen should be at eye level so you're not constantly looking down. This might mean adjusting your chair height or using a stand for your laptop. Make sure your chair provides good lower back support. A little lumbar support goes a long way. If you're on a budget, a rolled-up towel can do the trick. Set yourself up for success with these simple adjustments. Tip number 3 is all about building movement into your day. Every 30 to 60 minutes, set a timer and get up. Walk around, do some light stretching, anything to break up the monotony of sitting. A quick shoulder roll, a gentle back stretch, even just standing up and reaching for the sky can help prevent stiffness and keep your posture in check. And bonus, those mini breaks can actually boost your focus and productivity too. Alright, time to talk about your core. I'm talking about the deep core muscles that act like an internal corset, supporting your spine and improving your posture. Exercises like planks, bridges, and even yoga can strengthen your core and help you naturally stand taller. Just a few minutes a day, even during commercial breaks while you're watching TV, can make a world of difference. Remember, consistency is key. Tip 5 is all about combating tech neck. When you're on your phone, constantly looking down, your neck and shoulders hunch forward, leading to pain, stiffness, and bad posture. Keep your phone at eye level. It might feel strange at first, but think of it as a mini workout for your neck muscles. And take breaks from your phone altogether. Read a book, look out the window, give your neck a break from that constant downward gaze. Let's get those muscles working with a simple exercise: wall slides. Find a wall, stand with your back against it, feet a few inches away. Press your lower back into the wall. You want to feel that contact. Raise your arms straight up, elbows bent, so your forearms are touching the wall. Slowly slide your arms up and down the wall, keeping that lower back contact the whole time. This exercise strengthens your upper back muscles and helps align your spine, all essential for good posture. You might be surprised to learn that your footwear can actually affect your posture. Think of it this way: your feet are your foundation. If your foundation is off, the rest of your body has to compensate. Wearing supportive shoes, especially if you're on your feet all day, can reduce strain on your back and improve your alignment. Look for shoes with good arch support and cushioning. Avoid high heels or poorly fitted shoes that can throw your balance off and lead to aches and pains. Your feet and your back will thank you. Believe it or not, your posture doesn't stop mattering when you sleep. The way you sleep can either support or sabotage all the hard work you're doing during the day. Try to sleep on your back or side, avoiding sleeping on your stomach. This helps keep your spine aligned. If you're a side sleeper, use a pillow between your knees to keep your hips aligned. Invest in a supportive mattress and pillow. Think of it as an investment in your spinal health. Staying active is essential for maintaining good posture. When you exercise, you strengthen your muscles, improve flexibility, and boost your overall well-being. You don't have to become a marathon runner. Even simple activities like walking, swimming, or dancing can work wonders for your posture. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Movement is medicine. And finally, tip number 10, the most important one: be consistent. Improving your posture won't happen overnight. It's a journey, not a destination. Make small adjustments daily. Be mindful of how you're sitting, standing, and moving, and listen to your body. Don't get discouraged if you slip up. It happens to all of us. Just get back on track and remember that even small changes done consistently can lead to remarkable results. Stick to these habits and exercises, and you'll notice a big change over time. So there you have it, 10 easy tips to improve your posture. I hope you found this video helpful and feel empowered to make some positive changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on staying healthy. Let me know in the comments if you have any posture struggles, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.